Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign a document on iPhone. So let's begin our video. So here you can see on my iPhone I just open a PDF file and I want to add my signature on this file. So what I need to do, I just need to tap over this file, and right now at the bottom middle there have a markup icon. Select it, then select plus icon at the bottom right corner, then select add signature. Right now you just need to add your signature, so I'm just adding my signature, then select done. So here you can see signature already added to your PDF. Right now you can resize it, also you can replace it, and after that you just need to select done. So here you can see signature successfully added to your document. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.